Integers with multiplication operation. Now first we see the two number multiplication. We know positive integers indicates by symbol plus, and the negative integers indicates by symbol minus. Possible cases. Case 1. Positive number when multiplies with a positive number results a positive number. So plus of plus is equal to plus. So the example, a positive number 4 and a positive number, another positive number 3, when multiplies, the result is a positive number 12. Now in the case 2, positive number when multiplies with a negative number, the result negative number. So that is a plus of minus becomes minus. That is 4 is the positive and 3 is a negative number. 4 into minus 3 becomes minus 12. 12 is a negative number. Now case 3, negative number multiplies with a negative number results a positive number. Minus of minus is equal plus. So now both the negative numbers, minus 4 multiplies with a minus 3 results a positive number 12. Case 4, a negative number multiplies with positive number results negative number. So minus of plus is equal to minus. Minus 4 multiplies with positive number 3 results negative number minus 12. Now 3 number multiplication. See an example, this 4 multiplies 3 multiplies 5. So here numbers are 3. Arrange them into 2 number groups. So we can make one group with a 4 in multiplies with 3, that is one group, and again multiplies by 5. So first take the group 4 multiplies with a 3. So we know that the positive number multiplies positive number gives a positive number. So 4 multiplies with 3 results 12. So in the place of 4 multiplies 3, we can put 12. So now the equation becomes 12 multiplies with a 5. Again is a 2 number multiplication. So 12 multiplies by 5 is equal to 60. So again positive number multiplies a positive number gives positive number. Now another example, 2 multiplies 7 multiplies minus 3. Here one negative number is there. So arrange into 2 number groups. So we can make a group of 2 multiplies 7 and another number multiplies minus 3. So 2 multiplies 7 is equal to 14. So here positive number multiplies positive number is equal to positive number. So again 14 multiplies with a minus 3. Again it's a 2 number multiplication. Now here positive number multiplies a negative number. Results we know that it will negative number. So minus 42 is the answer. And one more example, negative number multiplies with a positive number into minus negative number. Minus 3 multiplies by 5 multiplies minus 2. And arranging into 2 number group. Minus 3 multiplies by 5 will become one group and one other group the minus 2. Single number. Minus 3 multiplies by 5 is equal to minus 15. Negative number multiplies positive is equal to negative number. So minus 15 now multiplies with a minus 2. So both are negative numbers. So negative number multiplies negative number results positive number. So such that minus 15 multiplies by minus 2 gives 30. Now multiplication of 3 negative numbers. Minus 3 multiplies the minus 2 multiplies with the minus 5. So arranging in 2 number group. So minus 3 multiplies by minus 2 will become one group, and after that it multiplies with the minus 5. So minus 3 into minus 3 multiplies with the minus 2 results 6, because the negative number multiplies by negative number, the results negative number. So minus 3 multiplies minus 2 becomes 6. Now 6 multiplies with another negative number minus 5. That is equal to minus 30. Because positive number multiplies negative number gives negative number. So overall minus 3 multiplies with the minus 2 multiplies with the minus 5 becomes minus 30. So product of three negative numbers is a negative number. Now 4 number multiplication. So minus 5 multiplies minus 3 multiplies minus 4 multiplies minus 2. Arrange into number group. Two groups will be formed. So minus 5 multiplies with the minus 3, one group, and minus 4 multiplies with the minus 2, another group. So minus 5 multiplies minus 3 becomes positive number 15, because the product of two negative numbers is positive. And here is the other group, minus 4 multiplies minus 2, it becomes positive number 8. Again here also product of two negative numbers is positive. Then we can write it as 15 multiplies by 8, that is equal to 120. That means positive number multiplies with a positive number gives the positive number. So product of four negative numbers is a positive number. So now 5 number multiplication. So take 4 negative numbers and 5 negative numbers, make groups. So 3 groups will be forming, 2 number group 2 and a single number group 1. So minus 3 multiplies minus 4 becomes 12. Negative number gives 12. And another negative group minus 2 into minus 6, that is 12 again. So negative multiplies with the negative gives a positive. So now these 12 multiplies 12 multiplies with a minus 5. So now 144 multiplies with a minus 5. So it is a positive number multiplies with a negative number. So it is becoming minus 720. We know that positive number multiplies a negative number results a negative number. So the product of 5 negative numbers is a negative number. So now from the above examples we found that product of two negative numbers is a positive number, product of three negative numbers is a negative number, product of four negative numbers is a positive number, product of five negative numbers is a negative number. So observing all these things, we can say the product of even numbers, that is 2, 4 and 6, like negative numbers, becomes positive. Whereas the product of odd negative numbers, that is the 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that, becomes negative. So this is the points we have to observe. Problems in exercise 4. These are all simple multiplication problem of 2 number and 3 number. Go through all these problems. Problem 3. A certain freezing process that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? A room temperature before the process begins is 40 degrees centigrade. It's given. Temperature lowered for every hour by 5 degrees centigrade. This is also given. So change in temperature after 1 hour becomes minus 5 degrees centigrade, because it is lowering. Change of temperature in 10 hours will become 10 into minus 5, that is minus 50 degrees centigrade. Room temperature after 10 hours, now temperature before process plus change in temperature after 10 hours, that is 40 degrees centigrade plus minus 50 degrees centigrade. Minus value is more, so the result will be in minus, that is minus 10 degrees centigrade. Fourth problem. In a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer and -1 mark is for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. So now first problem. Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? So marks for correct answer, we know that there are 3. Marks for incorrect answer, -1. Marks gained by Gopi for correct answer, 5 into 3, that is 15. Marks gained by Gopi for incorrect answer, 5. 5 into -1, that is -5. Now he scored marks for correct answers plus marks for incorrect answers. So 15 plus -5 becomes 10 marks. Gopi got totally 10 marks. Next problem. A merchant on selling rice earns a profit of rupees 10 per bag of basmati rice sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of non-basmati rice. He sells 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice in a month. What is his profit or loss in a month? So, profit on sale of basmati rice is 10 rupees. Profit means amount increasing and it indicates positive. So, profit of money per bag is 10. Profit of money per 3000 bags is 3000 into 10, that is 30,000. Loss on sale of non-basmati rice bag is 5. Loss means money decreasing and it indicates negative. Loss of money per bag is -5. Loss of money per 5000 bags is 5000 into -5, that is -25,000. Overall making of money on selling of basmati rice and non-basmati rice. So 30,000 plus -25,000, that is equal to 30,000 minus 25,000, because plus of minus will become minus. That the difference is 5,000. Overall profit rupees 5,000. Now go through these problems. So division operation with integers. Division is an inverse operation of multiplication. Multiplication statement can be expressed in two division statements. The example 3 into 4 is equal to 12 is a multiplication statement. It can be written as 12 divided by 4, that gives 3. This is one statement, and other statement 12 divided by 3, that gives 4. So division operation of integers will follow the same rules and same properties of multiplication operation of integers. So positive integer divides a positive integer, results a positive integer. Positive integer divides with a negative integer, results a negative integer. Negative integer divides with a positive integer, results negative integer. Negative integer divides with a negative integer, results positive integer. These are some division problems, examples. Let us see. Now in the first case, minus 100 divides with a positive integer 5. So minus 100 divided by 5 gives minus 20. So negative number when divides with a positive number results a negative number. And here also a negative integer 81 divides with a positive integer 9, results a negative integer 9. 125 positive number divides with a negative integer minus 25, results negative integer minus 5. Like that, other problems. Observe this statement. Is it true that minus 48 divides by 8 is equal to 48 divides by minus 8? So minus 48 divides with 8, the results minus 7. Negative number when divides with a positive number results negative number. Now the second is this thing, 48 when divides with a negative integer 8 results a negative integer 7. Positive number divides negative number results negative number. So minus 48 divides 8 is equal to 48 divides minus 8 is a true statement.